Question. Three coins were tossed 30 times simultaneously. Each time number of heads occurring was noted down as follows. See, they are going to toss three coins simultaneously for 30 times. So these are the resultants number of heads that has been occurred for these many number of times. Okay. Now what we need to do, prepare a frequency distribution table for the data given above. See, for that number of heads appeared, number of heads and frequency of the heads that appeared. See, if you throw a coin, there may be chance that suppose there are three coins. So once you throw a coin, there is a possibility that it can be head or a tail. See, once I toss three coins simultaneously, it can be head, tail. Number of heads occurred two times. So suppose if it is three coins, if you throw simultaneously, if three are tails, so number of heads occurred in this particular case is 0. So now like this they did the experiment and they tossed the coin for 30 times. Toss the three coins simultaneously for the 30 times, and these are the resultant heads that has been appeared for the 30 times. Okay. Now number of heads. It can be 0, it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3. So these are the possibilities, right? Either it can be 0, it can be 1, it can be 2, or it can be 3. So if no head occurs means it will be 0. One time head occurs means it will be 1. Two times head occurs means it will be 2. If it three times head occurs means three times head occurs means it will be 3. So first we will go 0. How many zeros are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. What about 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number of times 2 heads occurred. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 9. Next, number of times 3 appeared. 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So did we miss anything? Yes. This 0 we missed. The 0 count is 6 then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 6 plus 9, 15. 10 plus 5, 15. 15, 15, 30. So this is the frequency distribution table for this particular problem. So what was the question? The experiment was they have tossed the coin, 3 coins simultaneously for the 30 times. So what we need to show in the frequency distribution table, number of times head appeared. So number of times number of head appeared in each trial. Each trial means each number of times you tossed a coin. So number of head appears. It can be see if head appeared is 0, it will be 0. If head appeared is 1, their possibilities either it can be 0, 1, 2, 3, and these are the frequencies. So please note this down. So dear students, 7th and 8th will be your homework. 7th is very much similar to the 6th question and 8th will be similar to the 9th question. So 9th question, even 8th question will be your homework. 9th question, a company manufactures car batteries of particular type. The lives in years of 40 such batteries are recorded as follows. Okay, these are the lives of the 40 batteries in years has been recorded. So for this what we need to do, we need to construct a grouped frequency distribution table for this data using class interval of size 0.5. So size, what is the size? 0.5. Starting from the interval 2 to 2.5. Even they made our work easy. So class interval. In the class interval what we are recording? Lives of a battery then tally mark, then frequency. Okay, now, so from where we need to start? We need to start from 2 to 2.5. 2 to 2.5, 2.5 to 3.0, 3.0 to 3.5, 3.5 to 4.0, 4.0 to 4.5. Do you have any 4.8? So the highest record, so we have, so 4.5 to 5.0. Fine. So now what we need to do, we'll do the tally mark. 2.6, where does 2.6? It will be in between 2.5 and so 1 year. 3.0, where does 3.0 comes? So here, so this will be 1 year. 3.7, 3.2, 2.2, 4.1, 3.5 here, 4.5, it will come here, 3.5, again it will come here, 2.3, it will come here, next 3.2, so 3.2 it is in between this, 3.2, next after 3.2, next 3.4, where does 3.4? So here only 3.4, after 3.4, 3.8, 3.2, 4.6, 3.7, 2.5, 4.4, 3.4, next 3.3, next 2.9, so it is in between 2.5 and 3, 3.0, it will come here, 4.3, so it is in between 4 and 4.5, 2.8, 3.5, 3.2, 3.9, 3.2, again 3.2, 3.1, 3.7, 3.4, 4.6, it will come here, 3.8, 3.2, where does 3.2? Yes, 3.2, next 2.6, 3.5, 4.2, 2.9, 3.6. Okay, now 2 to 2.5, it is 2, 6, 5, 10, 14, 10, 11, 4, 3. If we add, the count should be 40, then our distribution table is correct. 8, 22, 22, 26, 29, 30, 40. Our distribution table is correct. This is the required throughput frequency distribution table for this particular data. What is, see, what we can observe, see, most of the batteries whose life is in between 3 to 3.5 years. So next is, so it is in between 3.5 to 4 years. So 11 batteries survives. So it means more than 50% of the batteries whose life is in between 3 to in between 3.5 to 4.6. So more than 50% of batteries whose life is more than 3 years. So depending on your observation, you can give it, but they have not asked us anything. They asked us to plot only frequency distribution table. We have plotted it. So this concludes your statistics. Exercise 14.3 and 14.4 is not there for your syllabus. So please note this down. This concludes your statistics. Then in the next video we'll move to probability. Okay, thank you.